Today we're talking about this foldable steel parking bollard. Heavy duty steel construction for outdoor use. It's got powder coating and these reflective stripes. Comes with all the hardware that you need to mount it to a solid surface, and is really good if you're trying to secure a private parking spot or maybe close off an entryway or driveway that you don't want people going down. We were looking for a place to lock our trailer to that then we could fold down and drive out from. It's got a built-in cylinder locking system that works really well, and so it will lock up in place, or when you unlock it, you can then lay it flat. Comes with a nice set of keys, and you can tell are well made. This allows for easy access. Once it's laid down, you can drive up and over it, heavy duty, and locks in place when it's back upright. Overall, this foldable parking bollard provides a simple, easy way to control access to different areas, and yet gives you the flexibility to come and go for those who are authorized to do so.